welcome to EC Electronics. So this video we are going to see some job openings from Byju's learning app. So nowadays you can see that there is a lot of job openings coming from Byju's app, and because of this COVID situation they are making all these job openings work from home. Okay, so we are going to see all these job openings for freshers from Byju's learning app. Okay, so if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So this is a site of Byju's, and you can see that there is an icon which is called View All Jobs, and on clicking that icon you can see that various category of that is based on the categories they have listed out the jobs. Okay, here now you can find the job openings in two sessions only, which is academic and content management and business development associates. Okay, first we are going to see the business development associate notification. Okay, so this is the business development associate notification. Job description they have given here. The selected candidates will begin in an individual contributor's role working in a team. That is, in your city you'll be working and you will be helping in the developing of this app. Okay, now the skills they are asking is any graduation or post graduation having a keen interest and deep understanding of the Indian education sector. Okay, so they are not asking any specific graduation or any particular skills they are asking. They are just asking any graduation or post graduation. All the BTech candidates, all the candidates, if you have a graduation or post graduation, you are eligible to apply here. Okay, then interested in mentoring and guiding students, having a knack or sales, good interpersonal and presentation skills. Basic things only they are asking. Okay, now these are the skills they are asking. Also they have given the details what you will be doing in this job, life at Byju's and performance tips. Okay, so if you are interested you can go through a detail look into this. That is, you can go through a detailed look into these sessions. Okay, now the salary is all selected candidates will be part of a 2-month training program under the BDA, that is business development trainee profile, at the monthly stipend of 25,000. Upon successful completion of the training, candidate will be promoted to the role of BDA for a direct sales at 7 plus 3 lakh per annum. Okay, so this will be the salary that you are going to get. Okay, so if you are interested, if you are having any graduation or post graduation, you can apply here. In order to apply, you can see that there is an icon here. Just click on it. You can see the details. So this is the field you have to, these are the fields you have to fill. And also you can see that there is a highest qualification completion year, and also there is upload resume. Okay, also the size of resume they have given here. Okay, so that's all about the details of BDA. Next, let us explore the other open positions which are present in academics and content. Okay, so here you can see these are the various openings under the academics and content development or content management session. First one, associate editorial team content development. Okay, now let us see that details of the job. Here, let us directly go to the skills they're asking for. Okay, so here has a knack of correcting spelling mistakes and differentiate dashes and hyphens, basic things only they are asking. Okay, and another important thing is the qualification they're asking for is wondering if you are eligible to apply and also has a bachelor's or master degree in English or journalism. Okay, so they are preferring these candidates. Okay, other candidates can also apply, but preference will be given to these candidates. Okay, so that is the qualification details. Other details you can see in the site. Okay, then creative content writer. Content writer will be the job. So here you should be having strong conceptual understanding of K-12 content. That is, you should be having these subject knowledge. Then great communication skills, ability to visualize content and represent it using storyboards. Okay, so this will be the qualification. Just like that, you can also see this details, associate, senior associate, content development. So these are the 4 openings present under the category which is called content management, that is academics and content management. Okay. So these are the open positions present in Byju's app. Nowadays, you can see that there is a lot of other openings also coming. They're actually posting these job openings under various platforms in Internshala, so in Internshala you can find, and also in various other job sites you can see this job updates from Byju's. But here I am sharing with you the official site of Byju's, so you don't have to go to any other platform. Directly you can apply in the official site itself. Okay. So have a thorough reading of this notification. If you are getting satisfied with their demands and the description of job, if you are interested in doing that kind of job, then you can definitely apply for it. So we have seen how to apply for it. Now talking about the selection process, since this is a fresher recruitment, mostly all jobs are freshers. Okay, so there will be various stages of selection. First one will be aptitude test, aptitude reasoning, all those areas they'll be covering. Then there will be group discussion, because mostly they are looking for people with good communication skills and good writing skills. So group discussion will be there, then technical rounds will be there, and also you'll be tested for your communication skill and language test. Then there will be HR round. Okay, so that is going to be the selection process. There is a various stages of selection. So that's all about the job updates from Byju's. If you explore the site, you can actually see a lot of other openings coming. So please, if you're interested in doing jobs in Byju's or any other particular company site, if you're interested in, then have a regular check on this their career pages. You will get to know the various notifications. Okay, rather than just going on to any other platforms or any other job sites, you can directly have a look on the official site of the company. Okay, so that you will get correct notifications. Okay, so that's all about the job updates from Byju's. If you're interested, please to apply for it. And if you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up, also share with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.